you have a machine which isn't conveying, then the three most likely reasons are: it's out of tune, the magnet has failed, the controller has failed. If you check the tuning and the magnet, then let's show you how to change the controller. Step 1, isolate the power to the controller and lock off. Pull out the cable connection blocks in this order. Power top left. 6-way magnet block. Take out the sensor wiring block and the 12-way field wiring block. I'm now going to remove the M5 nuts off the mounting studs. Now I'm carefully going to remove the controller. Now I'm going to fit the replacement. I'm going to plug in the connection blocks, starting with the 12-way field cable and the sensor block. The next one is the 6-way magnet block, and the last one is the 3-way power block. Unlock the padlock, power on, and tune the machine in the normal way.